So functions f and g are defined on a suitable domains by f of x equals cos x and g of x is equal to x plus pi over 6. What is the value of f of g of pi over x? So we'll find f of g of x. So our f of x is this. So we substitute for x, we substitute this in. So that would give us cos, that would be x plus pi over 6. And if we want f of g of pi over 6, then that will give me cos, so that would be pi over 6 plus pi over 6, which would give me cos 2 pi over 6, which will give me cos pi over 3. Now remember, pi over 3 is cos of 60, which will simply just give us what? A half. Just from the exact value triangle. That's pi over 6. And this is 2 and 1. Pi over 3 is cos is adjacent, which is 1 over 2, which is a half. And that would be my final answer.